Okay, back to the work. Again, I gonna work on 4 by 4 feet. I mean 48 by 48 inches canvas. There is an inspiration in my mind, and in this painting, I will create also the contrast also. Blue color again. I love cobalt. There is a good combination of gold and cobalt blue in my painting. I'm not using gloves today because this primary layer, this is a boss layer of on this canvas, so I don't need it. Let's use some water to make it wet, and so that color can be sprayed out over all the canvas. There is no relation between the main painting and the primary layer, so don't be hesitate while you use any color on the canvas for primary layer. It doesn't matter, but it will be better if you use the relevant color for your creation. Blue and the crimson lake is my personal choice. There is no reason. Okay, so let it dry for an hour. Okay, so now I'm gonna design. I mean, it's a pre-plan. So I wanted to sketch for what I want to paint on the canvas. So here is I'm working on iPad with the pencils, 6B pencil, and in this painting I want to make a face of eagle turning towards this direction.
So this sketch will be done like this, and
I will share next
this
part
will be
of
applied on the canvas
this
in the
painting
next part.
video on this Saturday. It means the next video will be the second part. Thanks for watching me. Keep subscribing and like in comments, and also share with your art lovers. Thank you.